Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of Samsung smartphones to bring you the latest updates on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If you're as excited about this device as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. First, let's discuss the design of the Galaxy A55. Samsung has chosen to embrace a premium feel with a flat, metallic frame and slim bezels, giving it a contemporary and stylish appearance. Rumors indicate that the display will be a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel, promising vivid visuals and sharp details, perfect for all your multimedia needs. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera, which is always a standout feature in Samsung phones. The Galaxy A55 is expected to boast a versatile array of sensors, including a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 32MP front-facing camera. However, there's a twist here. Samsung seems to be retaining the 5-megapixels macro camera from the A51, opting not to include a telephoto lens. While some might see this as a missed opportunity, the macro lens brings its own unique charm for close-up shots. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is anticipated to be powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, which has shown promising results in Geekbench tests, particularly in multi-core CPU performance. This should translate to a smooth and efficient performance, whether you're gaming or multitasking. And for the gaming enthusiasts, the GPU based on the AMD RDNA 2 graphics architecture represents an improvement over the previous Mali GPU, promising enhanced graphics performance. When it comes to battery life, the A55 is expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery supported by 25W fast charging. That's more than enough power to get you through the day and then some. Finally, let's talk about availability and pricing. While we don't have an official release date yet, rumors suggest a launch in March 2024, with an expected price around 21,990 rupees in India. This positions the A55 as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G appears to be a solid mid-range phone with a focus on design, camera capabilities, and efficient performance. We can't wait to get our hands on it and bring you a full review. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. See you in the next one.